first is that your spine, your lower back here, typically there's something generating pain. There's a structure generating pain. Sometimes, not all the time, but we can also use the general terminology what we call flexion or extension intolerant. All right, flexion intolerant is bending. This is the back side of us. This is bending forward intolerant, such as so. This might create some back pain and referral into the glute, into the hamstring, into the calf, and so on. Extension intolerant is bending backwards would be painful. I feel a little pinching pain right up into here on me when I bend backwards, and so I have a little bit of extension intolerance happening, which we can classify as things like your, facets and all that kind of stuff. But really, the body, think of it more in general movements, because when we're talking about lower back pain with sex, a lot of times we're talking about which movements you're tolerant of, because the positions are important because they generally migrate towards one end of the spectrum